Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put icons in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, click the shape, click the drop down, settings, all, append, and now we can see this many icons. Click, hold shift and drag it. And another way to simply open your any browser and type flat icon. Now show this page, click search your icon name, then show this many icons, click and download free download. I already download this. Then go to file. I already download this menu icon. Simply click import this. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift, click and resize, or do not hold shift for custom size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.